Good morning, students. Venugopal from third floor. So today let us discuss with one of the important chapter from PUC first year, that is organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. So when it comes to CET, there will be two questions from this, and from NEET it will be one or two questions. So here majorly in this, the questions will be majorly asked upon the displacement of electrons, which is related to inductive effect, electromeric effect, resonance effect, hyperconjugative effect, and the problems may be related to the percentage calculation with reference to nitrogen and halogens. Okay, along with that, estimations with relevance to carbon as well as hydrogen. Okay, based upon this regard, let us discuss some important MCQs from this chapter. So first one, an example for a saturated fatty acid present in nature is, when it comes to saturated fatty acid, it should be a monocarboxylic acid. That is, a saturated monocarboxylic acid forms a homologous series. It forms a homologous series which has a general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So when we go through with this general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, they have given 4 different examples. So first let us write the formulas of all these examples. So they have given it as oleic acid. First one is oleic acid. Oleic acid is given by the formula C17 H33 COOH is oleic acid. So second one they have given it as linoleic acid, that is LINOLEIC, linoleic acid. This linoleic acid is given by the formula C17 H31 COOH. The third option has been given with linolenic acid. This linolenic acid is given by the formula C17 H29 COOH. This is known as linolenic acid, and along with this they have given the fourth option as palmitic acid. This palmitic acid is given by the formula C15 H31 COOH, which is known as palmitic acid. So when it comes to all these formulas, palmitic acid, that is C15H31 COOH, follows the general formula CnH2n plus 1. Hence, an example for a saturated fatty acid is palmitic acid, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 2. They have given a structure, that is CH3, CCl, double bond CH, single bond CH with CH3, single bond CH3. So they are asking us to give the IUPAC name of this. So here there are two functional groups. One is chloro along with double bond. So here when I name the compound, this chloro and double bond will get the second position. So the longest chain is what? 5. 5 is the longest chain. And for the second carbon there is an existence of chloro. Fourth carbon there is an existence of methyl. Hence, according to alphabetical order, chloro comes first. I can write it as 2 chloro. At fourth position there is methyl. I can write it as 2 chloro 4 methyl. Longest chain is 5. Hence it will be pent. For second carbon there is a double bond. I can write it as 2 chloro 4 methyl 2 pentene is the name of an organic compound. Next one, question number 3. Among the following, the compound that can most readily get sulfonated is. So here they have given the options as benzene, that is C6H6. First option is benzene. Second option they have given it as toluene, that is C6H5CH3 is called as toluene. Third option they have given it as nitrobenzene, that is C6H5NO2. And fourth option they have given it as what? Chlorobenzene, that is C6H5Cl. Nitrobenzene and chlorobenzene cannot be the answer, because nitro group is an electron withdrawing group and chloro is also withdrawing because it is electronegative in its nature, where nitro group and chloro group, it deactivates the benzene ring. So here it is an deactivating group. This deactivating group deactivates the benzene ring. Deactivates the benzene ring means it has the capacity to pull away the electrons, that is nitro group. Since both deactivates the benzene ring, nitrobenzene as well as chlorobenzene cannot be the answer. Now a question arises whether it is benzene or toluene. So when we take with the toluene, that is C6H5CH3, which is structurally represented as, this is the structural formula of toluene. In this toluene, methyl is an alkyl group which can donate electron towards the benzene ring. Hence, the benzene ring becomes electron rich due to an positive I effect, because here methyl group is donating electron to the carbons, which shows plus I effect, and the benzene ring, due to the donation of electron, the benzene ring gets activated. Due to the donation of electrons, the benzene ring gets activated, and electrophilic substitution, benzene ring gets activated and electrophilic substitution takes place readily. So when I compare with the benzene along with that of toluene, here toluene exhibits more reaction, or toluene is 10 times more reactive than the sulfonation of benzene. Hence, the correct answer for the given question is toluene, which is given by the option B. And for second question, the correct option is A, which is given with 2-chloro 4-methyl 2-pentene.